Increase your pedal power by 30%. What if you could get 30% more power out of your legs without getting any younger, buying a new bike, or training like a Tour de France rider? The truth is, most cyclists, even experienced ones, are only using half of their available power every time they pedal. We all know that riding a bike means turning the pedals. Simple, right? But after years of riding outdoors and indoors, I've noticed something important. Only a small percentage of riders are actually taking full advantage of what their legs can do. You've probably seen them, the road cyclists flying past at 17 to 20 miles an hour with no electrical assist. Smooth as butter, steady cadence, powerful stroke. Those riders aren't strong just because they push hard, they're strong because they pull as well. Meanwhile, many other riders, especially recreational cyclists and seniors, are just out enjoying the scenery. And that's perfectly fine if sightseeing is the goal. But if you're riding for cardio, strength, or longevity, then you're leaving a lot of benefits on the table. One of the most overlooked training cues for seniors, and really cyclists of all ages, is maintaining a proper cadence. For steady cardio work, a cadence of 60-75 RPM is a commonly recommended range for recreational riders. That's the sweet spot where your heart rate climbs, your breathing deepens, and your workout becomes an actual cardiovascular event without overstraining your joints. The power secret. Most pedals today come with either toe baskets or clip-in cleats. They're not there to keep your foot from slipping. They exist so you can use both sides of the pedal stroke. Push down on one leg, pull up on the other. This push-pull motion is potent when climbing hills or when you want to boost your heart rate. When you engage the upward pull, you activate your hip flexors and hamstrings, adding around 30% more total pedal power compared to relying on the downstroke alone. The other day I was working out on my stationary bike and realized something embarrassing. I was only pushing down. My opposite leg was along for the ride. The moment I focused on pulling up with the non-working foot, everything changed. My cadence smoothed out, my body stabilized, and my heart rate rose 10 beats per minute within minutes, all from simply using muscles I had been ignoring. When you start pedaling this way, you instantly transform your ride from light exercise into a dramatically more effective cardio session. Your heart gets stronger, your legs grow more balanced, your ride becomes more efficient, and yes, you feel younger, fitter, and more capable. Action steps: check your cadence. Aim for 60-75 RPM for steady cardio. Use the whole pedal stroke. Focus on push down, pull up every 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes automatic. Use baskets or cleats. They help train proper mechanics. Test your power. Notice your heart rate after 5 minutes of conscious push-pull pedaling. You'll feel the difference. Ready to turn your bike rides into real cardio sessions? Try the push-pull technique on your next ride, indoors or outdoors, and experience the extra power for yourself. Your heart and your hills will thank you. Stay tuned for more bike riding tips.